Indonesia is the most beautiful land in the universe. The land where we were born. The nation where we grew up. So many colors that live together in peace. With a million timeless treasures. With an abundance of natural wealth. Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Welcome to Indonesia. Indonesia is a country that has beautiful scenery with a variety of traditional cultural arts scattered in every corner of the country. One of them is in West Java. I invite you to visit one of area in West Java that has a unique one, Bebegig Sukamantri ethnic artwork. Please press the subscribe button so that this channel can grow more and continue to share information about Bebegig. This segment provides a glimpse into the story of meaning of the Bebegig Sukamantri Mask, which is used in the art of sustainable and fast-growing folk carnival in West Java, Indonesia. The masks used in the carnival are unique and are an expression of the cultural heritage left by the ancestors of the ancient Sundanese people in West Java. Each masqueration in various colors and shapes derives from the giant face, who is a very well-known figure in Sunda culture and represents the nature gods. Based on the various shapes and colors of the mask, there are three groups, which are believed to relate the mythology of the existence of astral creatures that protected ancient Sundanese people, namely Raksasa for the nobility, Getya for the common people, and Denawa for the clergy. The existence of this astral being is found in the 15th century ancient manuscript entitled Sanghyang Siksa Kanda in Persian, Clue to Resi. Preserving the Bebegig Sukamantri Mask as part of ancient Sundanese cultural heritage is a worthwhile goal because of its uniqueness and it is significant for future generations. It is moreover greatly appreciated as a cultural carnival, event at both national and international level. There are two large communities apart from other communities in Sukamantri, those called Brajagati and Banadewa. These two large communities have become the current driving force so that the Bebegig Sukamantri traditional art remains alive and well. This is a glimpse of one of Indonesia's traditional art. Hopefully it can add information about Wonderland Indonesia. Thank you for watching.